Hello guys. Hello Prem, Ashwin, Chaitanya, Abhijit, Avinash. Hello everyone. Am I audible? Can anybody tell me that am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. In few minutes, we are going to start the session with All India rank 10, GATE All India rank 10 in metallurgical engineering. Mr. Abdullah has not joined yet. He's joining in just 2-3 minutes. So let's wait. By the way, how's the preparations are going on? Chiresh, how's your preparations are going on?
Fine, sir.
Good.
Going good.
Wow.
Maintain consistency in this.
See, this issue is with everyone, almost everyone. Even I face this issue during my preparation hour. See, hard work is important. In 6-7 hours, you have to study 6-7 hours at least in November. But what you study is more important, I guess. Like GATE don't ask questions in very deep, but it asks questions from every field. So you can judge your efficiency based on hours you are giving, or I guess I I like to say that don't think about result much. Right? Take a subject at a time and go with it. And hours, like everyone, 1 or 2 days we also have college going on, so obviously you have to deal with it. Hello.
Abdullah, few questions are in the chat box. You can read it out.
How much marks have you? I got 84.33 marks out of 100. According to me, paper in 2021 was quite easy as compared to 2020 and 2019. But what I feel like during the examination, there is no scope of silly mistakes. Like many people have too much knowledge and like rank between 10 to 50, almost everyone has similar knowledge. But the fact is you don't have to do silly mistakes like very like some in questions they ask in percentage, and in some question they ask in fraction. So you have to keep that in mind, that you have to first, when you read the question, after understanding the concept, you should not only focus on solving the question, you should also focus on what is asked in the question, in what format it wants answer from. Like you solve some question and you got answer in fraction, but the answer is asked in percentage and you wrote in percentage. So that will create problem, and silly mistakes have no space for getting a good rank, I guess. See, third year, being honest, the most important factor was lockdown, as I got a lot of time, as my college is now open and I am not getting enough time to compile things, because there is a lot of work, assignment, optional project, and many more. So I know that cracking in third year is quite difficult, but due to lockdown, it is possible. It happens because there was lockdown at that time. Can you tell about the job opportunities? See, according to me, many PSUs recruit, though the number is decreased, like honestly. But still there are scope like IOCL and NALCO are going to recruit from 2022 gate, and also DRDO, BIS almost take few students from gate metallurgy. But still you should keep in mind the job opportunities are less, and you should look for higher studies. If you have some sort of interest in higher studies, then gate will be more beneficial, I think. Can you tell when? See, forms depend solely on the institute, and you have to be really vigilant because you have to keep contacts with your friends and your seniors when they are going to. And you should keep checking their official website. You can easily find their website on Google. You should, because they out their forms are out at different time every year. No fixed time. Will you write guess this too? Yes, I registered for the gate, and hopefully I will write this gate this year too. So aptitude and English, don't give them much time, because aptitude is okay, you can give 2-3 days to it, but English, there is random question. There is no way to get perfect in English. So I guess instead of focusing on aptitude on English, you should more focus on other subjects, because after all you want marks out of 100 and not a cutoff marks in every section. And English, like me, my English was also not too good, like grammar English. So I didn't read English from everywhere, but fortunately that year questions were easy, so I got marks in English too. Like ONGC, I don't know. I don't know about it. It solely depend on them that they will require metallurgical engineer. But yes, they can recruit. They're not impossible, but I don't know about much ONGC or not. Sale recruits from gate metallurgy, but it doesn't. Do you have any other? There were no vacancies from past year and this year, I guess, and maybe there will be vacancies next year, 2020. It may be possible. There are good chances. As I talked to my seniors, they said there are good chances the sale will recruit from gate metallurgy 2020. See, mechanical metallurgy, I suggest you can refer DETR, but being honest, as every one of you must go through DETR, so you must know that it is very difficult for at least at our level to understand. But that's a very good reference book. Reference you can, if you got stuck in some part, you can take its reference because its answer is absolute. Mechanical metallurgy, you can go for NAPTEL lecture. Simply search NAPTEL mechanical metallurgy, and you got 60 to 62 videos, and according to previous year papers, you can know about important topics. So NAPTEL is, I prepare for mechanical metallurgy from NAPTEL. No, I don't know NITI cutoff score, but it may be available on their site. One of my acquaintance got 79, and he took admission in NITI. But NITI take interview, I guess, every year. Not only on rank, it took their personal interview too. Source for manufacturing. See, manufacturing, I personally read manufacturing from the PDFs my seniors send me. Those PDF their teacher sent to them, so I read from them. Manufacturing, I suggest, like in powder and casting, there are a lot of flavors. So you should you should prepare for manufacturing in last, because there are several type of questions, numerical problems asked in manufacturing, so you should go for it first. Like for theory part, I suggest you should read it from in the end, and I read those from the books, from the standard books like Rao, P and Rao. But thing is, you don't have to read the whole book. You should have some background knowledge to understand what is important, what is not. And most important thing, first when you start preparing and after having the basic knowledge, you should go through the 20 years paper. That's the most important part. From there you can easily understand that which topic is important and which is not, as there is a lot of part in the syllabus which is never asked by gate. You should prepare it also, but not, but it's not a smart way to prepare. Like you have to prepare everything in the syllabus. Go through past 20 years papers and first be strong in that section, and then after only go after the topics those are in syllabus but not asked in gate yet. They may be asked. Is there in April? Naptal mechanic. I didn't remember his name. I will tell Vishal sir, and then he may refer you what this teacher Naptal lecture. Okay. Yes, Arihant also print a book for previous 20 years paper. But the thing is, there are a lot of mistakes in that paper, and you should take yeah. Still, you can buy that book for 20-year compiled questions, but don't rely on its answer key because there are a lot of wrong answers in that key. Yes, obviously you can join Find My test series too. There is no problem. Like no one is better, no one is bad. But because the test series only tell us to not how not to make a mistake. There is Find My test is all test series, so you can join. There is you don't think or not this or other not. So it will create problem because test series is only for analyzing your own mistake, nothing else. So during after test series, please do analyze that in which part you made mistake. That's more important. Because if you keep giving test and don't analyze your paper, whether you performed well or not well. Because even I performed not good in few tests, still you have to inspect what's got wrong, or did you commit silly mistake, or your concepts are weak. So you can go there and then reread that part. See, for placement, IIT Bombay in during MTech, IIT Bombay has very high chances you will get placed. So probably I will join IIT Bombay, or else if I don't get chance, or if I don't get chance in any PSU, then I will surely go for IIT Bombay. MTech placement in IIT Bombay is really good compared to other IITs. No, I took only one test series, and I will avoid to take its name. But I see all the test series are almost same. I think. But importance test series is equally important than test series is have same important as the preparation, because without test series you didn't get to know that which topic are strong and which are weak. Without test series it will be very difficult. Test series is must. Without test series you can't achieve. Maybe someone of you are extraordinary and can crack without test series, but I suggest test series is very important. Last month strategy, I suggest complete the whole syllabus till December 31st December, and after that you should make short notes from 10 to 15 days and give full length test. And don't get demotivated if you score less in test, because test series are only for analysis purpose. The real paper is totally different, almost totally different from the test series. Test series are sometimes quite more difficult to make your to check your patience. The real exam is not too lengthy. Like in test series, few tests are really too long to solve it within 3 hours. Second year is too early, I guess. But you should focus on your core subjects in third or fourth semester. Like most of the important topics are taught in second year itself, like thermodynamics and physical metallurgy. Physical metallurgy is very important. Thermodynamics is very important. Mechanical metallurgy very important. You should prepare proper notes. What will be taught in your college. Read only that part in second year, and then from the starting of fifth sem you can go for safe score. No, it solely depend upon the difficulty level of paper. Like in 2022, year one is on only 83 marks, but in this year, even I got 84.33, I got AI 10. So you can't say anything without a gate score safe in any PSU. See, I don't have much knowledge about it, but above you should have gate score above 800. I prepare 5 to 6 months. I prepare for 5 to 6 months. Gate my sequence. I first did physical, mechanical. I left manufacturing and extractive for last because there are too many things in this part to just memorize without any deep concept. So I read manufacturing and extractive in December, January. My highest marks in test series were around 80, but in actual paper I scored 84.33 because I didn't took test series marks very seriously. But yes, I took test very seriously. I give test in very seriously without any disturbance in 3 hours. And sometimes I even give exams during some disturbance because sometimes in examination hall there are some sort of disturbance, but there so I sometimes give exams even in disturbance so that I can face if such anything unfortunately happens during the real exam. 20 years paper for getting a rank under 20 or even under 50. 20-year papers is the key, and all the concept that is asked in 20 year is most important. See, start from now. It's depend on you how much time you have. Your college is open or not. It is possible if you don't have any other thing to work, but it's totally depend on you. I can come on this. Maybe you have very good abilities to learn quickly, and so I can say. But yes, if you are very fast at learning, you can easily crack gate if you start learning, because I guess you have some basic knowledge at least. Necessary rank, see, it depends on category to category. You can find this on their site. So no, I didn't complete 100% syllabus. I left those topic who were never asked in gate previous years but were in syllabus, guys, because I thought I should revise those I read rather than completing the whole syllabus, because even if I lost 1-2 marks, then no issue because I can score more in the part section I know very well. Scoring above 70, yes, if you get above 75, 150 rank is confirmed. See, job, securing good rank from job, I don't have any knowledge about it because I am also in 4th year. So I don't know what are job opportunities except PSU through gate, because I don't know whether it depends solely on the company whether they took your gate rank in positive way or not, because sometimes they even took gate rank in negative way because they think you may leave their organization, you will perform better and go do MTech or join any PSU.
Now we don't have enough time, so we just have 5 to 10 minutes. I think 5 minutes. So it's my question. Actually, we got this question from a lot of students, that a lot of students wanted to ask, like, what was the revision strategy of yours?
See, initially I made notes of every topic, like detailed notes, like every minute details I took, and after that I read it, and after that I go for 20-year papers, and then I made another copy, just a single copy of very precise notes. So like during preparation, you may feel like this is important, this is also important. So you have to take some decisions like which is more important. What you need to read one day before or 2 days, whereas you can't read everything because. So I made a different copy for formulas, important concepts, and I also left few things which I think not important, and luckily those are not even asked, because I for cracking gate in any branch, previous year paper is most important, whereas gate don't change their paper very much every year. Some theory like 70 to 75 marks paper is almost the same concept as in like 20 to
Okay.
25 marks.
Okay, guys, you can join the Find My test series, and if you have any query and if you are facing the problems during the preparation of GATE 2022, so you can ask for the guidance on what our WhatsApp support number, which is 95099399058, and the WhatsApp number will be shared in the description box of YouTube. This video will be published on the YouTube also. You can watch it again. So thanks a lot, Abdullah, for giving your valuable time to us, and thank you so much, everyone, to join this session.
Thank you, sir.